Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video we'll consider and basically take a look at the quant section of the paper and particularly deal with the questions pertaining to the expenses and savings. So as we expected, the quant section was more or less the topics remain the same, but the questions came out to be a bit more calculation intensive. So we'll basically try and understand a few questions in this video series to basically analyze how to go about with the quant paper in general. Having said that, let's focus on the question at hand. Aman's expense is 30% more than women's expense, okay, and women's expense is 10% less than Raman's expense, okay. If the sum of their expenses are 6447, then what would be Aman's expense? Okay, so what would be Aman's expense for the same? So what we can do here is that, say Aman's expense is 30% more than women's and women's expense is 10% less than Raman's expense. Okay, say Aman's expense let's hang on. Say women's expense equal to 90x. Okay, therefore Aman's expense is 30% more than women's expense, right? So Aman's expense would be 90 plus 27, so 117x. Okay, Aman's expense would be 117x, and also Raman's expenses, women's expense is 10% less than Raman's expense. So Raman's expense would be 100x. Okay, I hope, because 100, this is 10% less and this is 30% more. I hope this is clear. Okay, so sum of their expenses is 6447. So 90x plus 117x plus 100x is given by 6447. So this would simply come out to be 307x equal to 6447. Okay, so now if we try to calculate x comes out to be 21. Okay, yeah, x comes out to be 21. So therefore Aman's expense would simply be 21 into 117, that is 2457 rupees. And similarly women's expense would be 21 into 90, that is 1890, and Raman's expense would be 21 into 100, that is 2100. So what is asked? We are asked about Aman's expense. So Aman's expense will be 2457, the correct answer. So I hope this is clear to you. This was very simple question. All we need to do was simply represent each and every expenses in form of the other. So in case you are having any difficulty understanding the same, I suggest you go through the entire video multiple times so as to get a clear understanding on how we came about with the solution of the same. So with that being said, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking for the full solution of the quant section or the full solution of the paper in general, I suggest you go contact us via all the mediums suggested in the description section of the video itself. You can mail us, you can visit our website, or you can call, text or WhatsApp us, and the details pertaining to the same are given on the description section of the video. So with all that said and done, I'd like to sign out. So we'll be continuing off our discussion with this kind of questions further down the line as well, wherein we'll be covering the entirety of the quant section, BI section, the volume section of the examination. So thank you so much.